Back to another video, guys. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make a sweetberry farm on the Donut SMP that produces 750k an hour. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're here right now. We've had a couple issues. I'm on a creative world. This is how you're going to place it. So you're going to start with a dispenser here, dispenser here, dispenser here. This is where you're going to place it. Hopper, hopper, hopper. And then you can go block of redstone on top of honey, lever. And so, like that. You need to make sure you do this all the way around with a lever, and the lever is what you're going to use to activate it and start the farm. Well, actually it's manual in a way, but above of this here, you'll come up here. I'm only doing one chest because it's easier for the tutorial, but 2 allows you to AFK longer. Next, you're going to want to come right here, place your hopper down, and that. And then you're going to want to place your chests under the hopper. So once you have it set up like this, you can fill all of this in actually, except for you want to make sure there's a gap right there so that you can get to your chest. You're going to want to place bone meal and stuff in here. You're going to make sure you want to have a good amount of stuff in here, and then you can build up, you place it down and then build up another one. And just keep right clicking like this. So if you keep right clicking on your mouse, that will allow you to keep farming. I use OP Auto Clicker 3.0 and it works the best. And this doesn't work right here. Yeah, they don't work on creative for some reason, and when they do, they like glue it back. That might just be a bug, I'm not really sure with creative, but you want to make sure the farm looks like that. And now that's the end of the tutorial, but I will be showing you guys how to use it in a few seconds. So okay, so here's how to run the actual farm. I do recommend first, if you don't already have one, a auto crafter, like I have right here. It auto crafts my bones straight into bone meal, to which I can just take them and put the bone meal in here. And it's a simple to use process, and overall I feel like it just helps you make a lot more money and utilize the farm better. And I can post a tutorial for the auto crafter. It's really easy. But to use the berry farm, push the levers and make sure they are turning like that, because sometimes they won't. When you come here, you just stand right click for mouse. So I don't know what the control is. We're going to do this as long as you have bone meal in there. It's going to work. I'm out of bone meal. It gives you a lot. But I just got over a stack of sweet berries from that was under a stack of bone meal. So the farm works really well, and if you want a tutorial for either a 3706 V2 pickle farm or tutorial for the bone meal auto crafter, and soon to become, I'm adding in the back, I'm going to have a video on that, a bamboo farm. So if you want a tutorial for any one of those, just put it in the comments and I will try my best to make them. And if you need help with the sweetberry farm, just put it in the comments. If you're on Bedrock, drop your IG in and I can help you maybe. If not, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.